Hey Tectonic viewers, welcome back to the channel where we info into the latest tech products that give you the best bang for your buck. Today, we've got something really exciting for all you budget PC builders out there, the Kllisre X99 Motherboard Combo Kit. This set comes with an LGA 2011-3 socket motherboard, a powerful Xeon E5-2640V4 CPU, and 16 GB of DDR4 memory. Let's see if this combo is the perfect match for your next build. Camera pans across the motherboard, highlighting key features like the CPU socket, RAM slots, and first, let's take a closer look at the X99 motherboard. It features the LGA 2011-3 socket, compatible with the Xeon E5 V3 and V4 series processors. We've got 4 DDR4 RAM slots that support up to 64 GB of memory, a crucial factor for those who want to push their system's multitasking capabilities. The board also includes multiple PCIe slots, perfect for anyone looking to install high-end graphics cards, sound cards, or other peripherals. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse of this combo, the Xeon E5-2640 V4. This CPU features 10 cores and 20 threads, with a base clock of 2.4 GHz and a max turbo frequency of 3.4 GHz. While it may not be the newest kit on the block, it's still a beast when it comes to multitasking and running intensive applications. Whether you're editing videos, rendering 3D models, or even running a small server, this CPU has got you covered. Memory installation asterisk. Footage of the two 8GB DDR4 RAM sticks being inserted into the motherboard. And of course, we can't forget the RAM. Included in the kit are two 8GB sticks of DDR4 memory, clocked at 2666 MHz. This 16GB setup is perfect for gaming, productivity, and even some heavy-duty applications. And with the motherboard's expandability, you can easily upgrade to more memory in the future if needed. Assembling the components asterisk. Time-lapse of the motherboard, CPU, and RAM being installed in a PC case. Once everything's installed, the assembly process is straightforward. The Kllisre X99 motherboard fits into most ATX cases, and setting it up with the included CPU and RAM is a breeze. Just plug everything in, and you're ready to go. Benchmarking and performance tests asterisk. Footage of benchmarks and stress tests being run on the system. How does this combo perform? We ran a few benchmarks to test the capabilities of the Xeon E5-2640V4, paired with the 16GB DDR4 RAM. In multi-core performance, it held up incredibly well, especially considering the price point. Gaming at 1080p with a mid-tier GPU? No problem. Need to render a video or handle large datasets? This combo will handle it with ease. Host in front of the camera, holding the Kllisre X99 motherboard combo kit box. Overall, the Kllisre X99 motherboard combo kit offers an impressive balance of performance and affordability. If you're looking to build a budget workstation or a gaming rig that can handle multitasking and intensive workloads, this kit is definitely worth considering. The Xeon E5-2640V4 might be from a previous generation, but its performance still packs a punch. Plus, with the expandability of the X99 platform, you've got plenty of room to grow. Thanks for tuning in to Tectonic Electric. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech reviews and tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's something specific you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep those builds rocking.